Alrighty, I figured I'd come visit my mother. It's been 8 months. She told me to do it once per year, but I figured I would come out here, just button up this button here all the way up top. She doesn't like a lay down collar. And also, I have to wear this hat or she won't let me visit. Put this hat on and cover up my worldly haircut. And I'm parked next door and I gotta walk over because if I don't, she will not open the door. I can't drive my worldly vehicle onto her property. And that is her little Amish house right there. So I will let you all know how it goes.